Even Oklahoma's Republican Attorney General thinks death row prisoner Richard Glossip deserves a new trial. But this Supreme Court is far from straightforward. On Wednesday, a bizarre high court hearing unfolded in Washington. 3 lawyers presented arguments, one for Glossip, one for Oklahoma, and a third appointed by the court, defending the state court ruling against Glossip. This setup, while unusual, isn't unheard of. But here's the kicker. Despite the state's admission of prosecutorial misconduct, Justices Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito seemed eager to push for Glossip's execution. It's no secret that Thomas and Alito, along with Justice Neil Gorsuch, have consistently voted against death row prisoners. But in a twist, Gorsuch recused himself from this case, likely due to prior involvement. As the hearing unfolded, the court's 3 Democratic appointees appeared ready to side with Glossip. But the fate of this life-or-death appeal hinges on Chief Justice Roberts and Justices Kavanaugh and Amy Coney Barrett. Would they side with Glossip or uphold the state court ruling by default in a 4-4 tie? The justices are also grappling with a procedural hurdle whether they even have jurisdiction to review the Oklahoma state court ruling. This technicality could allow them to sidestep the core issue of potential injustice in Glossip's case. During the hearing, Kavanaugh raised a hopeful question, challenging the appointed lawyer's argument that suppressed evidence about the key witness wouldn't have mattered to the jury. Meanwhile, Thomas seemed more concerned with defending the prosecutor's reputations than addressing the potential miscarriage of justice. The justices' decision, expected by late June, could set a precedent for how similar cases are handled in the future. The nation watches as the fate of Richard Glossip hangs in the balance. This is a pivotal moment for justice, due process, and the death penalty in America. What do you think? Drop your comments down below. Thanks for watching. Yahweh Shalom.